I am a footballer. I am a girl. A girl who loves football, who lives, breathes, dreams football.
Hard to beat. Always be hard to beat.
Counting down the minutes, seconds to the next training session.
We've grown as people together, not just as athletes. We care about each other and we support each other and we want to be there for each other, not just when it comes to football, but in life too.
I'm proud to represent this country, to be visible, to let people know that they can be whatever they want to be.
I am a girl who dreams of what life could be, a life that it should be, who dreams to be accepted, to be seen. I will fight like a dragon, the red dragon of Wales.
We are best friends and we have a connection that will never ever be broken.
To show her that there are no limits to what you can achieve.
To show that anything is possible.
Dry goch Cymru.
Everybody just genuinely loves each other and you can tell the way we play together.
They're my second family and most of these girls have been with me through it all, through all 100 caps, and it's just an amazing honour to play with them but also have known them for 10 plus years now and we are a family. I do it to inspire the next generation and to try and create more opportunities for younger players.
I do it for my family. Every time I put the jersey on and sing the national anthem, I do it for them.
That shirt means everything to me. For me, playing for Wales is no other feeling. Counting down the days till we meet again, I don't think many nations can say that. It's my safe place, it's my happy place. It's something that we've always wanted to do, is to put our small little country on a big stage.
I am a girl. I am the future. I am football.